What's up internet, I'm Manish from RebellionRiderYT and I'm back once again with another data pump import tutorial. Today in this Oracle database tutorial, we will learn how to import a schema. If you remember, in my tutorial number 54, I performed the export of schema Scott. Today I will show you how you can import that schema back into your database using impdp data pump import. I would highly suggest you to watch tutorial 54 first because I'm going to use various parameters value from that tutorial. Okay, let's move ahead. So, only the user who has datapump_imp_full_database role can perform the import of schemas. I'm not counting privileged user into this list as they already have all the roles and they can do whatever they want. Warning, only grant this role when it's absolutely necessary, as in the wrong hands it could be highly catastrophic. That being said, we use schemas parameter of impdp datapump import to import the schema. Let's see how. We will encounter an error if we try to execute this query. Let's see what will be the error. As you can see, it's an Aura 31684 error with saying that schema Scott already exists. This is because I already have Scott schema in my system. So to resolve this error, I can either drop the Scott schema or I can rename the schema that I am going to import. I think second option is more viable. So I will rename the schema Scott that I am importing. In order to do so, we can use remap_schema parameter. This is the second application of remap_schema parameter. The first application I have already explained in my previous tutorial. So let's add remap_schema parameter to our impdp command. But before that, let's clear the screen. And here is our impdp datapump import command which we just executed. Let's add remap_schema parameter to it. Here, as you can see, remap_schema parameter took two values. First was the real name of the schema which we are importing, which is Scott in our case, and second one is the new name of the schema. You can give whatever name you want. Here I have designated Scott_copy as the new name, and I'm importing the schema using my privileged user system whose login credential I have specified here. Also, exp_schema, which is the value of directory parameter, is a directory object which I created while performing the export of Scott schema in tutorial 54. Similarly, exp_schm.dmp is the dump file created by expdp datapump export during the same in tutorial 54. Also, using log file parameter, I'm creating a log file by the name of imp.log. You can give whatever name you want to your log file. Let's execute this command. As you can see, export is successful. Now let's see whether we have schema Scott_copy in our database or not. For this, you have to first log on to your database using sysuser. Let's clear the screen first. Now let's log into our database using our sysuser with sysdba privileges. Let me quickly show you the user. As you can see, the user is sys. Now you can query all_users view to list all the available user in your database. Let's see how. As you can see, we have our user Scott copy which is created on today's date. You can use Scott_copy user to log on to your database using the same password as of the user Scott. If you get any errors, then use alt_user command and change the password. In order to learn this, you can refer to my tutorial number 41 or 42. Links for both the tutorials are in the description box. You can also visit my blog for in-depth knowledge of the concept. Hope you liked this quick Oracle tutorial. If yes, then please hit that thumbs up button. That really makes me happy. You can also comment or tweet me your feedback. And more importantly, hit that big red button and subscribe to my channel and get regular updates on my newest tutorial. That's it for today. We'll be back soon with another tutorial. This is Manish from Rebellion Rider.